I got a 2011 Jeep Wrangler 3.8 liter coming in for misfire. And this is what I found. I got my test light on. And there we go. Shoot it.